come to say thank you for your goodness, your mercies.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today I'm going to be slaying this face and I'm going to be using the American color of the flag, which is of course the blue, red and white. So it's just something I just decided to do and I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed and bye bye. So as you can see, I already went off the camera to do one of my eyes so I can make this video as short as possible. So I'll go ahead to do the second part of my eyes on the camera so you can see how I achieved this look. So please stay tuned, and I'll tell you, it's really easy. It's just a combination of 3 colors, and I'll start with my brows.
Lord, I've come to say thank you for your goodness, your mercies, your kindness. Thank you, Jesus. From the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. And if I start to count my blessings, till eternity it will not end. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. From the rising of the sun to the going down of the same, Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. And if I start to count my blessings, till eternity it will not end. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. Thank you, Jesus. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. That's why I say, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba, yeah, yeah, say Baba, yeah. That's why I say, say Baba, oh, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba, hey, Jehovah, you searched through all the earth, but I found no one like you. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. For all the times I did you wrong, you never turned your back on me. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. I've searched through all the earth, but I found no one like you. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. For all the times I did you wrong, you never turned your back on me. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. Oh, say I've come to say, Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. That's why I say Baba, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba, oh, Jehovah, you do. That's why I say Baba, say Baba, say Baba, say Baba, oh, Jehovah, you do. you're good. Jehovah, you're kind. Jehovah, you're good. You're too good, oh. That's why we call you
Jehovah Shammah,
Hey, hey, hey.
Jehovah Rapha,
Rapha,
Jehovah Jireh,
my provider,
Jehovah
my creator,
Jehovah Shalom,
my God, my peace,
Jehovah Yahweh,
all powerful God,
Jehovah Nissi,
my God, my banner,
Jehovah Sikh,
my God, my righteousness,
Sabbath,
Sabbath,
Jehovah Rohi,
Rohi,
Jehovah
the
Adonai,
Lord over all.
Jehovah El Elyon,
Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. Papa, I've come to say thank you for all you've done for me. That's why I say, always say Baba. Eshe Baba, always say Baba, Jehovah you good. That's why I say, always say Baba, Eshe Baba, always say Baba.